Have you ever caught your feet shuffling the moment a colleague coughs in a room, breaking the stillness you were trying to keep? That small movement isn't just nerves, it's your brain instinctively minimizing disruption while gathering the next sound. When you tilt your head and lean forward, your ears catch subtle stereo cues, helping you understand better without shouting. This reflex stems from years of social conditioning and a brain wired to predict speech with partial information. So the next time you adjust your stance during a hushed conversation, is it hesitation or a built-in sensor for comfort?